Hi there guys, Dream Money is back with another video. And today I'm going to show you some more methods for making money online by watching videos. There are many more methods for now who knows in the future more videos about this. So if you're ready to get started, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Let's get into the video. 1. Instagc. Earning money while viewing videos is simple with Instagc. Simply visit the website, register, and adhere to the instructions. It's really simple to join Instagc. You may join Instagc using your Facebook or Twitter account in addition to its own enrollment process. In addition to watching movies, you may engage in additional activities to get money, such as trying out new applications, using the Instagc search engine, visiting websites, using coupons, and many other things. With a daily limit of 100 videos, you may increase your profits by watching videos on several devices at once. Additionally, you may increase your profits by recommending friends. When they join up and confirm their account, you will receive 10% of their earnings in addition to 10 bonus points. From a balance of $1, quickly get payment using online gift cards from more than 300 stores. Get rewards for watching. That's how easy it is. It's legal to make money as a side hustle using Instagc. They compete with other survey websites like Nielsen and others in their rankings. You may make as much money as you want with Instagc. Gift cards and PayPal Cash are accepted forms of payment. Only after you have previously withdrew $50 via gift cards via PayPal may you choose to withdraw your money instead. The value of 100 Instagc points is $1. 2. TVTWO. TVTWO pays people in Bitcoin for viewing videos. Sadly, Ethereum is used instead of Bitcoin, which is seen as being more desired and more useful. As most YouTube channels are accessible through the platform, the app broadcasts its own sponsored content intermingled with whatever you're watching. TVTWO gives a wide variety of viewing alternatives, which is a bonus. You may post your referral link online or send it to your friends. For each user that installs TVTWO, you will receive 200,000 credits, and you may earn an additional 50,000 credits by completing offers. If a new user signs up using your link, they will get a bonus of 555 credits. Simply continue to enjoy your favorite films while earning cryptocurrency. Why are you holding out? Launch TVTWO, go to the reward area, and collect crypt. There are many other methods to gain credits, such as 500 credits merely for logging in every day or 40 to 60 credits for each minute of viewed video. When you watch your preferred TV series or YouTube videos, you may earn Bitcoin. In addition to the money you receive for watching TV, you may also increase your pay by clicking the Boost button, which will reveal mini tasks that increase your Bitcoin profits. The newest reward-related applications are presented by TVTWO. Simply pick your favorite artists, sit back, unwind, and take in the show. The video app really provides material for any circumstance and mood. Additionally, the service is not just free. In fact, watching movies earns you significant benefits. Although TVTWO may seem too good to be true, it is actually genuine. Just watch videos to get cryptocurrency. Once you have accumulated at least 100,000 credits, you may cash out and get your cryptocurrency. With the TVTWO app, you can get paid in Bitcoin for each second you spend watching movies, TV series, or videos on your smartphone or Samsung or LG Smart TV. Fans of ETH and BTC may watch videos on the video app as a reward. 3. Quick Rewards. Quick Rewards is a different website where you may get paid for viewing movies and performing other online chores. This is the most straightforward and enjoyable approach to get some additional money. Even though you must watch the entire film to receive the prize, some of them are only 30 seconds long. So why do I claim it's enjoyable? Because most of the videos you see might be incredibly fascinating and enjoyable to watch. The benefits will be bigger the more active you are on Quick Rewards. Participate in as many everyday activities as you can to boost your income. While you watch, you can earn incentives. There are many videos available covering news, pop culture, lifestyle issues, and other subjects. In addition, you can be compensated for play video games, total offers, and buy online. Due to membership being available to citizens of the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom, many members of the online community like quick rewards. You may join up for other money-making options in addition to getting paid to view movies, such as at least 3 daily surveys, reading emails, and participating in daily buying opportunities where you can get at least 25% cash back. You have the option of receiving a gift card in lieu of immediate payment to your PayPal account. For retailers like Amazon, Applebee's, Red Lobster, Walmart, and Olive Garden, there are more than 50 gift card possibilities available. Quick Rewards is wonderful since you just need 1 penny in your account to claim your points, and it pays out quickly as well. The 72-hour turnaround time for PayPal payments is excellent. They send out gift cards within a week. 4. Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash registration is quick and simple, and you'll receive a $10 welcome bonus just for signing up. On many of the other websites described in the post, in addition to viewing movies, you may also earn money by completing surveys and a number of other chores. With the exception of 2 variations, all the other websites on this list are exactly like Fusion Cash. By watching movies and doing other activities that will be provided, users of Fusion Cash can earn money. These assignments are always being updated and are shown every day. Fusion Cash differs from many other websites in that you don't be paid much for every action. For an assignment, Fusion Cash will pay up to $8. Even though we would like more of these assignments, there is an opportunity to increase your salary by completing them. Once you've made some money, you can choose to get paid through check, direct deposit, or PayPal. Other websites seldom ever provide this selection of payment methods. Even though you will just receive a few cents for each video, the work doesn't call for any involvement on your side. This is a fantastic passive income concept to think about because you may make money while going about your regular routines. There are several withdrawal alternatives available, including PayPal, direct deposit, and check. New members will also receive a $5 bonus simply for signing up. For each person you refer to the site, you may also receive $8. 5. Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel is a rewards website where you may get paid for doing chores like offering, playing games, and watching movies, but the highest chance of getting money via them is through surveys. Additionally, Prize Rebel frequently posts about possibilities to earn additional points on its social media channels. They provide the chance to earn money by watching short films. Despite the low aspects, it's a very simple method to earn a few more cash. The only requirements for joining are an email address or a Facebook account. If you prefer cash, you can exchange your point balance for PayPal deposits or a Visa prepaid gift card on Prize Rebel. The company gives consumers a reward library with more than 500 different gift card possibilities. There is a $5 minimum payment for PayPal money withdrawals. It's really simple to make money in your spare time since you can make up to 10 cents for each video you view. The benefit of Prize Rebel is that it is open to everyone, making registration simpler. Your level will rise as you use the website more, and this will help you make more money. It will also start presenting you with better deals. In addition to the aforementioned earning options, you may also get money by introducing your friends and relatives. 6. AdWallet. AdWallet is what it says it is, advertising. Earn money by watching internet advertisements from your PC or mobile device. The amazing thing about this firm is that you are paid in cash, so you don't have to worry about figuring out how much money your points are worth. They may select between getting paid with gift cards or a bank transfer, with a minimum payout of $10. AdWallet offers good payouts for the videos you view. In reality, you may frequently earn anything from 50 cents to $3 for each brief video. The drawback? Just not that many videos are available. Every few days or so, you should check back to see if any new videos have been added. Get a 10% referral incentive on your friends' earnings when they spend money you refer. Sadly, they only permit a total of 3 paid recommendations. You must disable your ad blocker for AdWallet to work correctly on your PC in order for the videos to play. One of the few incentive programs that lets you withdraw money directly to your bank account is this one. PayPal is another option for withdrawals. You will receive personalized adverts to watch after signing up for AdWallet based on your profile preferences. You must be 13 years or older, have a working mobile phone number, and have an email address that has been validated before you can sign up. Based on your tastes, every video is individually chosen. You'll respond to a few questions about your video after you've watched it. You'll then be compensated. 7. Fiverr. Why not provide a Fiverr service that allows users to pay to watch videos? Videos are one of the many types of freelance work you may do to supplement your income. Many YouTubers and filmmakers are asking for honest criticism or even edits on their videos, and you may provide that. You may also provide a service to assist users in increasing their YouTube channel engagement and view time. When it comes to freelancing and being creative, the possibilities are unlimited. Go out and begin earning that additional money. If you're interested in discovering additional freelance videographer opportunities, you might also enjoy flex jobs. 8. Viggle. Viggle bills itself as a loyalty scheme that offers prizes to members for their music and TV viewing. By keeping track of what you watch and listen to, Viggle earns money by selling your data to marketers and splitting the profits with you. Viggle gives you something for doing nothing if you watch a lot of TV, but it's not enough to have any real influence. After that, you will score 1 point for each minute spent watching. Additionally, some programs provide incentives that allow you to earn up to 10 points every minute, each worth 1 cent. You may convert your points into a gift card after earning at least $5 in rewards. By taking use of your leisure time to watch your favorite programs, you may quickly rack up points. Even watching bonus shows will help you earn more points. On applications like Amazon Prime, Netflix, and Hulu, you may view videos for money. You'll need an iPhone or Android mobile to earn with Viggle. Gift cards, prepaid debit cards, and other items can be purchased using points. 9. GG2U. Since its founding in 2019, GG2U has been doing market research. Every video you watch on their site will win you some tokens. You are eligible to receive a bonus of between $1 and $3 for every 200 tokens you earn. $1 is equal to 100 coins gathered. Despite the fact that viewing videos is not a particularly lucrative pastime, you may do it in the background to make some passive money. GG2U rewards users who fulfill activities using a points system. A member will get coins and video points as prizes for completing tasks like answering surveys and viewing films, respectively. When you have enough coins, you may exchange them for money or other prizes like gift cards and Bitcoin. You may start earning money with GG2U in a variety of ways. Responding to surveys, you may get paid to express your ideas. Playing video games through your account, you may play video games to earn money or points. Watching videos might earn you money. By allowing advertisements to play on your phone or computer, you may accumulate video points. By installing particular apps on the platform, you may earn points. By making use of offer walls, you may earn money using GG2U. Offer walls resemble notice boards and contain a variety of offers that users may complete to gain incentives. Referring friends, GG2U users have the opportunity to recommend friends and earn money. If your recommendations succeed in making money with GG2U, you will receive 5% of their profits. You will receive a $1 incentive after signing up. The $7 minimum payment. We will be able to select from a variety of payment options, such as PayPal, Bitcoin, and other online gift cards. The Golden Token, which will provide us entrance to the Golden Prize wheel after 5 payment requests, is highly intriguing. We'll be able to try our luck and see if we can win an extra $7 on a roulette wheel. Yes, on each spin, he will always get $1 and you have a 57% probability of getting at least $3. People who live in the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom can use GG2U. Germany, Norway, Sweden, Switzerland, Denmark, Austria, Finland, the Netherlands, Ireland, Spain, France, Italy, Belgium, Japan, etc. are just a few of the nations where people may still sign up and earn money with GG2U. But now, if you're not really a fan of any of these methods and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description and get started today. Thanks for watching.